MS200t. I'm not sure if anybody else is going to have this problem, but so I'm going to document it. And it has to do with the choke. To start with, that is turned wrong. I'm not sure what to do about that in the hose, so I'm not worried about that. But this this choke bar right here, or rod, and the way it interacts with the carburetor right here is not working. As you can see in here, everything's set up properly. Okay, so we're back here to the end. When I apply the choke, what happens is this rod falls backward, and eventually, in other words, when I run through closed, open, warm, start, and I do that like 2 or 3 times, even slowly, that rod right there will pop out of the double seat deal right there, the white one. It'll do it every time. Front side doesn't come out, doesn't affect it. I think, and I don't have any way of knowing this because I don't have anything to compare it to, but I think there's 2 problems. I think one, I think the bar is soft and may not be in the exact bend that it's supposed to be. And then the second thing is the carburetor. Let me close the handle up, and I'll show you the operation of it. Okay, as you can see, it is wide open, or off, as far as I'm concerned. Okay, and there's the position here. Now, I'm gonna pull it back. Now you see the way that pulls out. It may not pull out here, but I guarantee you it'll bust loose in the back. And there's the closed position. And it's not closing it completely. So that's why I think even it all could be the rod, but part of it might be the carburetor. So I think there's 3 pieces. That white saddle, double, I believe it's called, and the rod and the carburetor, in order for it to be a mean cutting machine. And now on this, there is absolutely no reason for these hoses to kink. I mean, that's the way it's supposed to hold. And if we look at it, there's no reason for there to be any narrowing. I don't think it sort of does. So, and that's the Achilles heel. Besides this, I wish it wasn't so. Guess you can just pull it until it warms up and not worry about the carburetor. I mean the choke operation. But that's not me. It's got to be right. Okay. Well, I believe this will conclude the. Because I showed you that we got this working. Of course, we pop the filter on and then put this on, and bam, it's finished. But there's no reason to go through all that until this is taken care of. And I lifted it and it popped up, so I mean it did that. But if I pull it back down 2 out of 3 times, that's going to come loose. I guess all I can say is it's pretty. I look forward to getting these little details ironed out. This kit building, this is a new kit, and it's probably going to frustrate a few folks until we get these little things ironed out. Even steel has people that have to trim up plastic and get the saw fitted as they assemble it. So this is not unusual. I don't see anything bad here. It's all good.